If you have a smartphone or a device that connects to the internet, you can head over to the App Store for your Pfaff Creative Icons free apps. Now, when I typed in Pfaff, up come each of the 3 apps that you can download for free. The first one is the Pfaff Sew Notice. So when this is all connected, you do need to log into My SewNet, create an account, that the machine will actually send a notification to your smart device when you need a color change, when your bobbin's out, when your embroidery is done. I love this. This is a great time saver because I do wander off from my embroidery machine and it reminds me that something needs to be done. So anytime there's a message on screen that stops the machine, that will pop up on your iPad or phone, whatever you have this app logged into. Next, you do have a second app called Pfaff Image Stitch, where you can quickly take a picture of an outline and have it digitize the design, and then again you can send it directly to the Pfaff Creative Icon via the Wi-Fi connection, and the design will show up on screen and you are set to embroider. Great way to do quilting designs, a special monogram. Try it out and play around and see what you can come up with. The last one is called the Pfaff Creator Queue. So you know where all the tutorials are that we've been focusing on within the machine? Well, this is all the content that is built into the machine on your phone or device. That means that you could be researching some of the videos that are built in, how to do a certain technique, or which fabrics are good for different projects. So this is a great way to kind of go through your machine, but without having to be seated right next to it. You can have it with you. So if you're on the go or you're out of town and you have some time, you can be reviewing some of those wonderful features that your Pfaff will do. Remember, all these apps are free and all you have to do is find them in your app store, type in Pfaff, and download them immediately.